Good morning, guys. Welcome to Shanghai. Good morning, guys. Last night was very challenging. We spent around 4 hours, I think, just to be here in our hotel. We are new to this place, and we need to be sure where to go and what to do. So I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a room tour, and we'll show you the place that we're in. We are at Modena Putuo by Fraser, Fraser in Pudong, China. So as we walk in, we have our mirror like this, microwave. We have a freezer down there, a sink, some amenities. You can cook also if you want. Our dining table, and then upstairs, let's go up. We have our television on there. Someone is watching TV. We have here selfie mirror. Look, OOTD. Okay. This is our view. Yeah. It's very nice. Put this one. Say hi. Then up here.
One of my favorite features, the dryer.
Oh yeah, we have the dryer there. Yeah, tell me you're a mom. Not saying you're not a mom. Okay, we have our workstation where we put our things. This is our bed. The CR comfort room is very nice. We also have a mini laundry here. Then mirror, the shower. And we don't have a bidet, but it's okay. So that's it. Mini room tour. Yay. Say bye. Hello. This is our view from the outside. Where are you going?
Nanjing Road.
Let's go.
Go.
It's cold outside. It's 8 degrees today. So nice. I like it. Let's buy tickets. It's very cold outside. I can feel the cold air.
Very, very, very.
So cold. Someone is eating chocolate. Ninjas. We're here outside metro station. We're here at Nanjing Pedestrian Road. Hi. We're going to the Bund. Let's go. James Bond. Tamashi Nations. Yay. Wow. So nice. Look at all these Gundams. Oh, Saint Seiya. One Piece. Dragon Ball. Gundam everywhere. Ooh, Gold Lion, Voltron. Wow. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Megahouse. We have JJK's. Bleach. Naruto. Oh, wow. Yu-Gi-Oh! One Piece Kitty. Oh, cuties. Oh, Pop Scale. So nice. Someone is hungry. Yay. Hi.
They even have seaweed.
Seaweed. Ooh, yeah. Get it from. Yay. Yay. Thank you.
Want to eat first?
A big Apple store. Here's Samsung. On the other side is Huawei. Look, there's a Disney store also. Woohoo! It's getting colder and she needs a warmer. Pop Mart. Let's go. Five Guys. Five Guys is a bit expensive, so we went down and saw a restaurant.
Cost me once, right?
Yeah. Done with our lunch. We're headed now to the Bund. So there's been an accident. Let's see what happened. Oh, one is kamote driver. Hi. It's cold outside.
Yes, baby. It's cold outside.
There, Anta and Jordan. There it is, the Oriental Pearl TV. The famous Peace Hotel. And see now the Oriental Pearl TV. This is the Bund. James Bond. So we're going to Shanghai Tower. There it is. To see Shanghai's highest point. Let's go. This is the Marina Bay Sands of Shanghai. Just colder version. So this is what winter feels like. so cold. We're trying to get across Shanghai Tower. So we have entered the ferry. We had to use our Alipay there to have a transaction. It required a passport, so we figured it out and let's go. We're inside the ferry. Let's go up. Hey, we have a view. Hi. We're inside the ferry, waiting for it to move across the river. What?
Wow, the Shanghai Ferry.
They have rental bikes around, yeah. You almost got hit by a motorcycle. It's okay. Here, there's no sound, look. Oh, you can really have an accident here. Wow, that's super tall. Think we're going inside? Are we? Almost there at the Sky Tower. We don't know where we'll go, but it's up ahead. We're here, Shanghai Tower. Okay, let's go inside.
I like this. Fancy. It's fancy now.
So we'll get the ticket here before going up. Chinese cars. Top of Shanghai. We're now inside the observatory. Wow. Tallest buildings in the world. Oh, so on 2015, it's the Shanghai Tower is the third one. Top of Shanghai journey begins. We're going inside. It's like in Taipei 101, but and Marina Bay Sands.
Look at the monitor. What did you see?
Here. Let's see what's in the zoo. Wow. That is such a nice view. Look at that. This is our view from the top. You can see all of Shanghai. Look at that. That is the river that we crossed earlier. That one is the Oriental Pearl TV. So I think Nanjing Road is there. Scenic view of Shanghai. What's in there, clown? Not again. 119.4. Let's go. Oh, that led us to the cafe. Nice touch. If you're hungry, you eat. We are now leaving Shanghai Tower. Okay. Because she's starting to be grumpy. Maybe she's hungry. You want to eat? Chloe, do you want to eat? Okay. Yay! How was your Shanghai Tower experience?
It's better Food Republic.
Time to eat! We're done with the Shanghai Tower. Right now it's 6 degrees and we're looking for a place to have our dinner tonight. Okay, time to choose for something to eat. I want to eat xiaolongbao, so I hope that I can find one. We can find one tonight. Let's go. I can't see any xiaolongbao yet. Our orders are here. We got tonkotsu ramen and xiaolongbao. Yay! We're going home.
Yeah. Go now.
Wow. Escalator is not working, so they are walking up. Yay. Yay.
Yay.
We're heading home now. First, we're gonna go to Pop Mart to get some food. some people are singing outside. Also there.
There's another one out there.
Yep. And this one is tired and so smart because she used the warmers on her face. Family Mart, let's go. We bought food for tomorrow or later. We're back at our hotel, Modena.